I am sitting out here, folks. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? This is the morning garden. We are sitting here right now, looking at all these beautiful plants. Look at them, folks. God darn. Now, what I did do to get a little bit more growth, I added a little bit more to my container here. You can see it's browner. That's my fish emulsion. Just a little bit more, and then they started leafing out with the true leaves and everything. And these are they don't need to be watered or anything. This one right here, that's low like that because gotta remember, I just put this in there. Look at that, peppers, tomatoes, and these are getting ready to go today into a larger container. This right here, I want you to see. Look at this. Look at it. Just started sprouting. See that? Just started sprouting. Those are purple bay leaves. I just sprinkled some in there. This is a free package that was given to me by rareseeds.com. That's a free pack. And it's about a year older pack. And look at it. Oh my goodness, folks. This don't make no sense. Look at that. And then right here, you see all these little bags here. They're the same thing. They're just a bag and a cup. 3-inch cup inside the bag. And look, this is lightweight because, oh, look at that, folks. Look at that, folks. This don't make no sense. I'm growing so much. I'm not going to have any room to know where to put this stuff at. But this right here, we divided up into about 3 or 4, probably about 2 or 3 pots. This may look like a small amount, but once I put them in the pots and they get real big, you'll see what I'm talking about. They get big. That is just pretty. All right. And I got this one here. That's my lettuce coming up. That's my lettuce. Look at that. Oh, man. Let me pull it out here a little bit. I feel good. This stuff is growing. And all I'm doing is keeping it basic. Try your fish emulsion. And see right here, all this is just, and some of this came from when it dried out. Some of the seeds didn't germinate. I am not worried about that at all because a lot of them are going to be a little late, but they still going to do it. Now, these are not sitting on a heat mat. Keep that in mind because I just got a little mixed up in little, things I was doing with the work and dealing with home and everything, and I just didn't get to do it. But these were from a heat mat with this thermostat you see here. That thermostat there, 97 degrees. That's a little too high, but I'm gonna bring it back down. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty. Let me just put that on there. Let me put that camera right on there so you can see it and kind of soak it in and see what you could do. You could probably do 10 times better than me because I don't know how to grow nothing. I don't know how to grow anything at all. I just don't know. But I want you to leave some comments. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. I'm new to this. All right, folks. This is the Morning Garden. Thank you very much.